Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take center pleats easily. First, gather your fabric, a ruler, and a marking tool like tailor's chalk. We will begin by finding the exact center of your fabric piece. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your pleats are perfectly symmetrical and balanced. A smooth, well-pressed fabric surface will make all subsequent steps much simpler and more precise, guaranteeing a professional finish. Now let's focus on marking for precision. Using your ruler, draw a clear line down the exact center of your fabric. From this center line, measure and mark your first pleat fold lines. For example, you might mark them 1 1/2 inches from the center. Then, mark the pleat placement lines, which could be 3 inches from the fold, guiding where the fold will meet. With your lines marked, it's time to form those crisp pleats. Take your fabric and bring the first marked fold line directly to meet its designated placement line. Ensure these lines align perfectly to create a neat, even fold. Once aligned, use a warm iron to press the pleat firmly into place. This heat setting is essential for creating sharp, professional-looking pleats that hold their shape beautifully. Finally, let's secure your beautifully formed pleats. Stitch along the top edge of your pleats to hold them permanently in place. For beginners, a temporary basting stitch can be very helpful, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before committing to a final seam. Once satisfied, use your sewing machine to create a strong, permanent stitch, perhaps 1/4 inch from the top edge, ensuring your pleats stay perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.